So our education-focused retreat, or EF retreat as we call it, it's been held at Colburn, which is this place that we had our very first retreat way back in 2017. So we're coming full circle back to where it all started.
Now, the EF retreat is really this massive amount of crowdsourcing where we get all of the key people in the university who are absolutely committed to teaching, and we ask them, how can we make this a better student experience? And it's an amazing opportunity to hear the voices from across schools, from across faculties, and bring that all together in order to find new and innovative ways to solve the challenges that we face.
The EF retreats are really, really special, and I'm sure if you asked every EF, they would have a different story, but there'd be this theme about community that comes through really, really strongly. But the main reason why we're here is because of our students. It's all about the student experience. So what can we do as educators to improve and to enhance and to enable students to perform to their best and to really enjoy being at university and all the affordances that come with higher education?
I think if we have a conversation where we say, here's a problem we've got in learning and teaching, or approach we've got to learning and teaching, do we put the student at the centre of that? I think it's really important to partner with students across everything we do at the university, which includes the curriculum, the in-curriculum work we do with them, and actually ask our students, engage with them and partner with them of how they want to learn.
I think the EF community are really supportive of each other. They're willing to share with others rather than worrying about just their own advancement. Basically make the university a better place for our students and for each other, for our staff as well.
The EF program itself is also, just a fantastic way to actually recognise excellence in learning and teaching, which is, really important for staff morale, to really acknowledge the sort of expertise and professionalism that learning and teaching standard is at UNSW, and to celebrate successes within teaching. What I saw from the retreat was that it was energising, it was rejuvenating, and it was about reconnecting.
It helps us build connections and inspiring.
Incredibly special, heartwarming, and I would say profound, because my very first retreat that I came to back in 2017 had this profound effect on me, and it really changed how I valued myself as an educator and how I looked at myself as an educator.